Welcome, today in front of me ZTE Blade A72s, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and by this way we could see that we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you wanna just add a couple of different apps to the folder, you should by the same way just tap the plus icon, select the applications and tap to OK. Now we could see that we just add them successfully here. If you wanna rename the folder, you should just open it, tap on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. To move this folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. And to remove the application from the folder, you should just hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder from the home screen, just hold it and tap to remove icon. Also, you could remove a couple of apps in one click. Just click to this plus icon and select the applications and tap to OK. And also we could remove all of the all of the applications with the folder together. Just hold it and tap the remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.